rotating turntable. With the new update to the Edelkrone app, to program an intricate shot where both the object and the camera are moving, all you need to do is set the start and end positions. Once you trigger the motion, the system will automatically handle all tracking calculations, ensuring a flawless, perfectly synchronized shot effortlessly. This game-changing technology elevates product commercials and cinematic storytelling to a whole new level. The camera can now track designated points with pinpoint accuracy while moving around the product. The result? Seamless motion, hypnotic aesthetics, and an immersive visual flow that captivates the audience. With Point Tracking V2, you can now showcase every intricate detail of a product with breathtaking clarity, delivering a timeless visual experience. The system will allow you to capture textures, reflections, and surface details with millimeter precision, transforming a standard pack shot into a luxurious visual spectacle. You can also store multiple points and smoothly transition between them while preserving the natural flow of the camera motion. When you need to highlight different sections of a product, this feature grants unparalleled flexibility and creative control. To fully experience the benefits of Point Tracking V2, we have also designed larger turntable plates. You can switch the surface material as needed. Use black for excellent reflections or white to create an underglow effect by lighting from beneath. A slow, flawlessly smooth camera movement presents the product as a masterpiece. It effectively conveys its value, engineering, and design, granting it a flawless premium feel and an air of sophistication. Programming such complex camera motions traditionally requires extensive effort. With Point Tracking mode, you can skip all this complexity and directly focus on your artistic vision. Point tracking is possible with various Edelkrone product combinations, but we've designed the Pack Shot bundle to offer ultimate creative flexibility and limitless motion possibilities. This all-in-one bundle includes our most advanced flagship devices. At the heart of this bundle is the revolutionary Tripod X, the world's first and only motorized tripod designed to supercharge your creative workflow. With the Point Tracking mode, a new era for motion control is here, where technology and artistry converge in perfect harmony. You can now orchestrate movements in ways never before possible, ensuring that every shot is a masterpiece. Step into the future of motion control, where your vision takes center stage.
It's your boy DJ Mike Marquez, and it is time for another Sunset Sessions. So yeah, let's get it.
Here is the world's first fully motorized tripod, Tripod X. We have redesigned every detail of a tripod from the ground up. For the first time, a truly easy way to set up heavy camera loads is now possible. With Tripod X, you can adjust the height of any camera load with the touch of a button, allowing you to save your energy for what really matters: your productivity. Tripod X can automatically level itself on any type of surface. The sensors inside ensure perfect leveling, eliminating the risk of accidentally shooting tilted videos. For the first time in history, a tripod allows you to adjust the height while viewing the exact frame you will be capturing. It enables you to make fine adjustments effortlessly until you achieve the perfect frame. Imagine a tripod that does not require your assistance while it elevates, allowing you to handle other tasks during height adjustment. This not only frees you from physical effort, but also saves you valuable time. With such comfort and speed, your shot variety and precision will dramatically increase. Think of the countless number of people who tire themselves out just to adjust their frames. Any pro camera user knows this agony very well. This is unhealthy and also puts valuable equipment at risk. Instead of this, let Tripod X take you into the new world of comfortable and fast video production. You can also set Tripod X for motion time-lapse videos, delivering high-value results without extra equipment. It was time to reinvent the tripod that has remained the same for centuries. With Tripod X, you are now ready for the future.